Hi everyone, welcome to Survival Hunt. Today we'll be completing our boat and visiting shallow waters. We'll explore tribal islands and go to red zones. Let's go. Okay, we need two of them, rowlocks. Let's put them inside and finalize. Rowing is now available to you. New territories are also available on the global map. Let's press OK. So our boat is ready. So we have 4 extra slots to bring some resources back. Now we have to put some tar in it and we are ready to go. Okay, let's place some tar in it. There we go. So we'll press the repair. So 1 tar gives us 25. I don't know what this 25 is, but let's check. So I think 5 should be enough. Okay, I'll get prepared to go to the zone. Okay guys, we are ready to go. Let's see what we're gonna explore. Okay, we're out on the map. Our boat is ready. So let's click on it. We can use 50, okay. Go there, or we can even go there or drift. So let's use our boat. Okay, we're finally in shallow waters. So let's see. Enter. Oh, we are finally here. Okay, let's see what loot we're gonna get here. Oh, it's really good. So I have a pickaxe and an axe with me, a bronze axe. So we can gather some resources. Oh my god, this is really good. Oh, we cannot go through these. What else we have? There's a way here. No, it's not. Let's. Okay, we require bomb to go through this. Okay, I'll go back to my base and bring some bombs with me so that we can explore those blocks and go through it. Okay guys, we are back with 3 bombs. Let's see if that will be enough. So we should explore some places. Let's see. Okay, let's run. Oh my god. This is good. This is really good. So I can go through. Yes, I can. Let's open this chest. Hoping to get some good loot. That's giving rocks here as well. Let's eat this. Open some. We don't need these metal scraps. Let's have this. Okay, let's move forward. So we have another dead body. Oh my god, the loot is really good here. I don't have much space. Let me put all of my things in my boat so that we can bring some more food. So let's put this, No, I think I should be putting more rare items in my boat. What else we got? Let's put this here. Let's put this gun and this fish. Continue now. I think that was the take. Yeah. Let's move forward. Okay, I think it's blocked again. Yeah. Let's explore one more. Okay. We can move forward now. Okay, one more. I hope there are no more blocks. Okay. I think we unlock the location. Okay. Yes. Okay, we unlocked all of them. We cannot go to unexplored islands, we cannot go to them. So zones we can go. Let's first go to island tribe. See what we can get there. Okay, enter. I really like the music track on this game. Oh, so there are some pine logs. Someone standing here. I cannot interact with them. Music is really cool. Okay, need earrings. Let's know if I can talk to him. So it's complete tribe. Okay, there's something here. No. Okay, let's see. There's something here. Okay. Tattoo Temaculates. Give me your earrings so I can use their energy to create a more powerful one. Okay. I think I don't have any earrings yet. So there's something here. Can I open it? No. I cannot. There are so many people here. What else we have? Okay, there is a trader as well. Okay, this is cool. Oh, so we can exchange with him skull and the fang to get some resources. That's really cool. Next time I'll bring some skull and fangs with me. Okay, earring of the appreciate. Okay, we got some earrings here. Let's see what we can do with that. Okay, let's give her the earrings. And it's all damage. Let's get one more. Okay. One more. Oh, it cost 10 coins. Okay, let's spend 10 coins and see what we got. So we got 2 damage. So 1 damage was increased. Okay. I don't know yet is it worth it or not, but let's see if we can explore some more things here. Oh, that's all. I think let's go to some zones first, then we will see if we gather some resources from here or not. So we can go to the far island, and we can go to Rocky Island, we can go to Mountain Island. Okay, I think I need some pine, so I should go to Rocky Island. Let's go. I hope I will not die here. I want to take my gun with me. See now. Okay, I can see a pine. So many enemies are here. So this is. Oh. There are some here. So what is this? 10 ore. Okay, let's try to find my enemy base. Let me get rid of some item which I don't need. Takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hits. Oh. I'm not prepared. They're doing so much damage. They are doing so much damage. Okay, let's get this pine wood as well. So there's some loot. Let's see what we're gonna get here. Oh, cotton seeds and some berry. Not so good. Okay, let's move further and see. Okay. This one is not that big. Oh, one more. Speed of the gun is so slow. Oh, there is someone. Boss is here. I think we can kill the boss. Yes. Oh, someone is coming. Okay, let's see what we can get from the boss. Oh, that's really cool. You can get a gun. See this, take his gun, get some leather. Okay. Oh, I really look cool. Let's do some moves. That's cool. Let's see what else we can get. Spine dog as well. I don't want to fight all the enemies here because I'm not prepared. Someone's ready. Oh, Lord. Still full. Let's see this. Okay, let's load this dead body. Some of that can't. Spine dog. I don't think there are much, but no, I'm gonna exit this zone. Okay, my inventory is full, so I think I'll go back to my base, put all these stuff back, and this arrow, guys, which is coming is because of the pirate singer. So I'll make one more video on that, how to attack our base. If you want to check that, like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time, and we'll explore some more zones for the next time. And if you want to get rid of this pirate attack, it will cost you 300 points. Okay guys, I'll drift to my base and see you next time.